The French astronomer and mathematician Jean-Baptiste Joseph DELAMBRE, 1749 to 1822, overcame significant obstacles in his early life to become one of the most eminent scientists of his era. Despite impaired vision that threatened permanent blindness, DELAMBRE diligently fostered his keen intellect and went on to make major contributions to the fields of astronomy, geodesy, and the history of science. DELAMBRE was born in Amiens, France in 1749. In his youth, he was afflicted with an ocular condition that made exposure to light excruciatingly painful and led doctors to warn that he may lose his sight entirely. This prognosis incited in DELAMBRE an ardent determination to cultivate his mental faculties to their fullest potential before his possible descent into darkness. He thus embarked on a rigorous course of self-education, immersing himself in classical works of literature, philosophy, and science. Though his formal schooling was quite limited, DELAMBRE trained his memory to retain vast amounts of information and exponentially expanded his knowledge across diverse subjects. This autodidactic dedication served as the foundation for his later scholarly achievements. In 1772, DELAMBRE moved to Paris and became engrossed in the study of mathematics and astronomy. He was particularly inspired by the pioneering work of Joseph-Louis Lagrange, a prominent mathematician who was also director of the Académie Royale des Sciences. DELAMBRE began submitting papers on novel applications of analytical mathematics to celestial mechanics, leading to his election to the Academy in 1780 at the remarkably young age of 31. Over the next several decades, DELAMBRE pursued important research in astronomy and geodesy. From 1787 to 1791, he collaborated with Pierre Méchain in the ambitious task of accurately measuring the distance between the Paris Observatory and the Royal Greenwich Observatory near London. This project, initiated in order to determine the precise length of the meter as a new standard unit of measurement, required the two scientists to painstakingly triangulate the distance spanning over 240 miles. The culmination of their meticulous efforts helped establish the modern metric system still used worldwide today. In 1795, DELAMBRE was appointed to lead a major effort to make precise star maps and celestial catalogues that would facilitate the navigation of ships at sea. This undertaking lasted over 2 decades and led to DELAMBRE's renowned Histoire de l'Astronomie, a comprehensive 5-volume history of astronomy published between 1817 and 1827. DELAMBRE's copious records of astronomical observations past and present represented an invaluable contribution to the field. Beyond his scientific contributions, DELAMBRE demonstrated admirable qualities of character. His early struggle with near-blindness seemed only to strengthen his scholarly discipline and determination. He retained a reputation for patience, integrity, and devotion to the truth, meticulously recording even contradictory data and redoing his own work when any doubt of accuracy arose. Such diligence was vital for the precise measurements and painstaking calculations involved in much of his research. In his later years, though his vision deteriorated substantially, DELAMBRE maintained an ambitious professional and literary output while also actively supporting the careers of rising young scientists. He helped establish the renowned École Polytechnique in Paris and worked to formalize France's metric system. Right up until his death in 1822 at age 73, DELAMBRE embodied the scientist's spirit of lifelong curiosity, commitment to rigorous methodology, and tenacious pursuit of knowledge and discovery. His legacy lives on through advancements like the modern metric system that have since expanded human understanding and capabilities across the globe. Dear friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our podcast. Take care, and please don't forget to subscribe.